Past questions and answers on alloys.
What are alloys? Alloys are substances formed from the mixture of metals, or a mixture of a metal and other elements. Majority of the metallic substances used today are in the form of alloys. The main intention behind creating alloys is to reduce the intensity of corrosion rusting of metals. For example, bronze is an alloy formed from 90% copper and 10% tin. Most statues and medals are made from bronze. Bronze statues are not affected by sun or rain. Bronze is the first alloy developed by the Humas. It forms a gold-colored, delicate metal that is used in manufacturing tools. Next is stainless steel. Stainless steel is an alloy made from 74% iron, 18% chromium, and 8% carbon. Stainless steel is not affected by air, water, so it doesn't rust. It is used in making kitchen utensils, e.g. plate, pots, spoons. Duralumin. Duralumin is an alloy made up of 90% to 94% aluminum, 4 copper, 1% magnesium, and 0.5% to 1% manganese. It is a very hard alloy. These alloys used vehicle armor that is used in the defense industry, aeroplane body. There are other types of alloys in existence, but for Jamb syllables, bronze, stainless steel, and duralumin are the three most common alloys. Therefore, you must ensure you study them and also their constituent elements and metals. Looking at this table, you would see some types of alloys and their constituents elements. Now, let's look at some past questions.